Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eshna and I welcome you today to yet another fragrance review video, and this time it will be from the house of Yardley London, and I will be talking about these two fragrances in detail. So if you are interested in fragrance mist, please keep on watching. Now there are three variants in the perfume cologne spray by Yardley London. A blue variant, I forgot the name, the orange one which is Autumn Bloom, and the purple one which is Morning Dew. I have Morning Dew and Autumn Bloom to talk about. So the first one that I'll be talking about is Morning Dew. This comes in this beautiful glass bottle. So this has a ombre effect going on. This is a transparent see-through portion. The entire bottle is transparent, but from white to purple, this has got a beautiful gradient. It looks stunning on the vanity. Is not extremely bulky. Being a glass bottle also, it is not extremely bulky. From the packaging perspective, it's quite good. This lid is also sturdy, although this is an acrylic cap, but it looks nice, and it goes with the total packaging scheme as well, the color scheme and all. It looks quite nice. The lid is quite secured, and the spray is pretty decent as well. I hope my camera has picked that fine mist. The spray is quite good. It is justified in the name Morning Dew. I mean, this has a freshness, sweetness, a bit sensual, a bit musky. Stunning fragrance this is, of course. I'll quickly read out the notes. So the top notes includes mandarin and freesia. The heart notes is rose, and the base note is musk. That is why the musky, the sensual, the refreshing smell. I mean, this is very modern fragrance. I can imagine a very modern woman wearing it. It's sublime, it's delicate, and it's a beautiful blend of strength and softness, if I might say, because the musk makes it quite strong, but the freesia and all makes it quite a good fragrance. So this lasts not more than 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours actually, depending on your body chemistry and the humidity you're wearing this in. This will fare accordingly. But yeah, this is a cologne spray. It doesn't have too much concentration of the perfume, but overall quite nice. And since this is not very heavy, you can carry this around as well. Still, if you don't want to carry a glass bottle, you can always carry the deodorant version of this one for touch-ups. And the next one that I have is Autumn Bloom. From the packaging you can see both are similar, just the color differentiation is there. Since this has got the Autumn Bloom name, it has got a gradation from golden towards the orange part. So yeah, pretty much the packaging and all is same. The lid is secured. Spray is good, and this is straight up oriental, sweet, beautiful fragrance. This reminds me of fresh flowers picked up from a garden. This feels like English side, countryside smell. It's quite good. I'll quickly read the notes. For the top notes, you have apple and bergamot, which makes this entire spray quite fresh and energizing from the start. The middle notes are rose and apple blossom, which makes this a bit delicate, and at the base there is sandalwood and amber, which gives it a sensual and seductive feel. Yeah, overall this is sweeter, ambery, so it's very warm. So this is perfect for autumn, as the name suggests, and towards winter, because it has warmth in the fragrance, whereas this one is kind of more suited during the daytime, and this is more suited during the daytime and mostly summer and not winters. I can see Autumn Bloom for autumn and winters, whereas this one is specifically more towards the summerish side for me. Yeah, because this is fresh and musky, and this is floral and warm. So yeah, you do the calculation which is suited when. But nonetheless, if you want to wear both of these at any point of time, go ahead and do it. It's your choice at the end of it. So yeah, you can pretty much wear anything you like at any point of time. Both of these are 100 ml and they retail for rupees 499. However, I'm sure you'll get it on discount online. Especially if you check Flipkart and all, they run sales on this throughout the year. So you can take advantage of those sales throughout the year. There are roll-on and deodorant variants of this one as well. So whichever pleases you, you can use for this scent. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. For my recommendations, you can very well try both of these. But if I have to still take a pick between these two, I'll prefer this one any day because it's more towards my fragrance choice. But nonetheless, I love this one as well. So yes, that's a wrap for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, comment in the comment section if you have used Yardley's perfumes and what's your opinion about those. I haven't used the blue one. If you have, you can share your opinion about that as well, and do I need to try my hands on that as well? Let me know and I'll check if I can get a hold of that one. So also make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future updates. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.